Hello everybody, I am working in Canvas. Here is my test course I just have done for this MOOC. Here are all my assignments. And here is week 3. And here I start with the tweet poll. I have to be honest, this is the first time I'm working with tweet in an educational environment. And I just created my tweet account to use it in future courses. For example, I find out that a tweet poll can be just useful for making more interactive readings or some discussions for the students, and we can learn more about what they think and what they know about something. Then it's a knowledge test. I use them as a pre-test for finding out what they already know and also what they have learned when we finish the unit. It'll also be useful for evaluating some knowledge they have got through the course. Here I just put some questions, only 3 questions. I'm just gonna show you, for example, what happens if there is a wrong answer or right answers. When they finish, they submit the quiz. And I put the tool that they can know what was wrong and what was correct. Here is a wrong answer. Here is the badge. I just made it using the colors of the university and grading or showing the student a well done job or test. It's important to the students to have feedback or congratulate them for something they have done well or just to engage in the study. At last, I just want to show an example where I use rubrics. For example, here's a journal club where I put just here an article to read it. And here is the rubric they can download, and also in Canvas you can see here what is the rubric for, and also we have a speed grader that helps us to evaluate the student in an easier way. We just put here the feedback or what we think about that or their work. The rubrics are really good for the teachers to give a clear feedback and also for the students to know what they're going to be evaluated. So I hope you like this video and see you later. Bye.